fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to share with you some items from a new to me company called DPClubs. So a huge thank you to them for sending me the items. And yeah, I'm just gonna dive in. So I'm gonna pick this one to open first. So let's get in here and see what I got. Okay, this canvas is nice and thin, so it's easy to roll up. It's not stiff. It's very pliable. Okay, so we get a boat, a plate of wax, a pink pin, pretty standard kit. You can see this is a special drill. Ooh, there's some ABs in there. So let's see. Okay, so it's got some puckers in the canvas there. Let me pull this back and kind of flatten those out so it will lay a little bit flatter. Okay, there we go. So it's this little really pretty mandala. I saw this one and I just thought it was really pretty. So it is listed as a 30 by 30. So let's measure. It is 24. I'm going to guess by 24. Yep. So 24 by 24. It's got 10 colors. Does not have any codes on it, but it's a special drill, so that's okay. It is nice and sticky where it needs to be. So let's dig into the drills. Okay, move that off to the side. All right, let's look at the drills. What have we got here? So crystals, we've got this very bright kind of peacock blue. That's a very pretty color. Kind of a pale blue, a bright green, a big bag of clear, and then we've got this bag of round AB whites, some very large red teardrop shaped, some very tiny purple lilac teardrop shapes. Those are tiny. Definitely going to be getting my pretty placer or my wax pen out for those. Some kind of antique gold teardrop shapes, some blue rounds, and some pearl iridescent rounds. So yeah, lots of pretty colors in this one. I think between that kind of very bright peacock blue and the two kind of the pearlized big pearls and then the AB pearls, this is going to be super pretty. So really looking forward to this one. Okay, and this one was $5.39. Okay, and then let's see what else I've got in here. Get my scissors in here so I can get it open. Okay, and what is this one? This canvas is a little bit stiffer, but this one is a full round, so that's all good. Okay, so for our kit, standard kit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. So there's that, and then this is a round drill kit, as you can see. Well, I was going to say it looks like we have, oh, it does. It does have the DMC codes on the drills, so that's awesome. Okay, and then here is the cute little picture. Now, it may seem kind of weird to be getting a kind of Christmas picture, but one, it was adorable. Look how cute this little guy is winking. But, you know, these are 30 by 30s. Was looking at this with an eye towards my 30 by 30 challenge in September, and by that time, it will be getting close to Christmas, so this might be a cute little Christmas gift for somebody, my nephew or somebody else. So 30 by 30, so let's measure. It is a little over 24 and a half by a little over 24 and a half. And wow, this has 28 colors in it. That's surprising. That's a lot of colors considering a lot of it is mostly the white background. Now I will say it's not an I symbol, but it is a slash symbol. So sort of the same thing, or maybe it's an italic I for all the white. I do think it seems a little odd that he's not centered, but that's kind of nitpicky. So, okay. So we have the DMC codes on the schematics on both sides, and we have them on the drill. So love that we get them in both places. And he's just so cute. So let's look at our drills. 28 colors. Yeah, I'm really surprised at how many colors that is. So, okay. Let's get them all unrolled here so we can look at them. And do I see a lot of dimples? I don't. The red has some dimples, but most of the other colors really don't. So the drills look good. Okay, so we've got one little stowaway in there. We've got like this kind of dusky pink, a very pale pink, a bright red, kind of a mustard brown, a pale gray or a light gray, a red, a green. Of course, we're going to see those because it's Christmas. Kind of a light tan, and then a tan, a very pale gray. That's almost like a chocolate brown, a very pale peach, a very dark brown, a darker green. It's like a very, I don't know, what would you call that color? It's like gray, but with green tones. Kind of a minty green, spearmint green maybe. Guys, I try so hard to come up with descriptive names for these colors besides just green, 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 green. There's a pale gray green. That's almost like a sage green. Another kind of mustard, greenish brown, like a coral color. And then we have another sleeve. So we get like a mauve, a mauvey pink, a pale blue, a very pale, like minty green, like a coral color, another dark green, a darker green, pink, and then we get 3 bags of white for the background. So yeah, lots of interesting colors in here that I was not expecting because, yeah, you know, in my head it was going to be red, green, white, and that was going to be pretty much it because those are Christmas colors, right? But lots of shading in here, so lots of colors to pick from, so that's cool. Okay, so there's this one, and this little guy was also $5.39. So let me set him off to the side, and then let me open this last one here. Get my scissors in there. Okay. And then the last one. Ooh, this canvas is very thin and easy to roll. Love that. Okay. Let me move the puppy over here a little bit. Okay, so for our kit, standard kit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. We've got our drills. No DMC codes on our drills. It is a round kit, as you can see. But look how cute this little guy is. So again, Halloween probably also with Christmas seems like a weird choice, but you know, it's going to be September by the time I start doing some of these. And, you know, maybe some of these can do double duty. If I'm doing my 30 by 30 challenge, this could also be a Drills for Chills canvas because I think that starts in September. So, you know, trying to make things pull double duty so I can get more things done, right? Okay, so this is also a 30 by 30. And this also typically is not something I would have purchased for a couple of reasons. One, it has a spider on it. I hate spiders, but it's a cute spider, so I'll work. And then also it has words on it. I typically don't like buying canvases that are this small that have words on them because I feel like once you actually drill them, it's not legible. However, it's pretty just straightforward lettering. It's not like real scripty or anything. And this is one of the newer canvases where basically they've printed the image on and then put the symbols on top of it. So you get some kind of background. that is going to show through. So I don't know if you can see here, like I'm going to place my drills, but you can see black behind. So the drills I'm going to place are not actually going to be black, but you're going to see that black shadow behind the drills, which is going to make those letters more legible once I get it done. In theory, we'll see how it goes when I get it finished. So I've got 21 colors, which again seems like a lot for this size of painting, considering the cat is mostly black and the hat is mostly purple. So 21 colors. It does have a white background, but it does have what I like, the eye symbols for the background. So, and it's got little colors kind of dotted here and there, so that breaks it up a bit instead of just being one kind of solid white mass. So like that. Got our DMC codes on the canvas, so like that, so that I know where my drills go if I decide I want to keep the spares. And yeah, let me dig into this one. Okay, and oh, I don't think I measured this guy. Let me measure the guy first. Measure this little cute cat. So this one is 24 by 24. The puppy was a little bit over. This one is bang on 24. Okay, now let's look at all of our drills. Let me see if I can find the end here. Okay, so we've got, ooh, these drills look pretty good too. This gray has some dimples, but the other three don't really, so that's good. Okay, so we've got this purple, some pink, some gray, some dark gray, some light gray, another darker purple, a lilac, kind of a yellowish, like a pale yellow, an orange, kind of that mustard color, a very dark blue, a tan, a forest green, ooh, that's like a burnt orange, a brown. This is a very dark blue. Is this the color of the cat? 16. Yes. So the cat isn't actually black. It's a very dark blue. Oh my goodness. This is a Halloween picture that has no 310 in it, you guys. How crazy is that? Because these are like purples and grays and everything. So that's kind of funny, actually. Okay, so very dark blue for the cat. Another kind of golden mustard. A green. A kind of dark blush pink. And another kind of lighter purple. And then we have 3 bags of white for the background, of course. So you guys, that's kind of crazy that there's no black in this painting and it's a black cat Halloween painting. That makes me even more curious to do it and see how it's going to turn out, because that's kind of crazy. So that may actually bump it up on my list of I should do this one for my 30 by 30 challenge, because that's, I'm really curious to see how it turns out now, knowing that there's no black. So this one was also listed at $5.39. So just a recap, we've got our cute little Halloween kitty. We've got our cute little Christmas puppy. And then we've got our kind of very pretty pearlized mandala. Again, a huge thank you to DPClubs for sending these to me. I will, of course, as always, put links in the description box below so that you can check these out or anything else that might grab your eye while you're there. Okay, guys, I'm back. I did finish one of the canvases from DPClubs, and so I wanted to show it to you. So here is the project I finished. This is the Special Drill Mandala, and I think it turned out really well. I really liked all the little pearlized ABs here. I just think it was a really pretty pattern, and then all of the kind of bigger pearls interspersed here. I will say these little purple slivers were a challenge, even with a wax picker pen. Those slivers are just so tiny. It's hard to make sure that you're placing them in the right places. So, but I do think it turned out really well and it's super cute. So all of the stuff that I got from DPClubs plus this finish. Before you leave, guys, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.